nice to see you. Today we're going to make something very basic, something very elementary, but not everyone will get it right straight away. The thing that I'm referring to is fritters, like banana fritters or pisang goreng or goreng pisang they call it. So we used to have a lot of this in our childhood, and all of our family know how to make it, but each family has a different recipe. So today we're going to go through the simple recipe for pisang goreng, and the batter will be very crispy and light. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I produce. So let's go and see how to make this easy peasy batter, crispy one for our banana fritters, or our sweet potato fritters, or our cassava fritters, and you can even use it for cempedak, which is a type of jackfruit. So let's go and see how to get this done. This is the sweet potato which we're going to fry, and I've got some banana which is still a bit green. We do not need the very ripe ones because it will be very soft after that. So we'll make the batter first. This is 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, salt to taste, about a teaspoon. We also need to add in half a teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon, but we'll do it after we do the batter. We'll mix this up, and then we'll add some water, make a hole in the center, and then we drop the flour into the center. So we add more water and we keep on bringing this flour into the center. Add more water while incorporating the flour until you get a thick batter. Give the batter a good whisk so that there are no lumps. What we want is a coating consistency. See, it coats the spoon. Not too thick because we're going to fry it twice, so we don't want it to be too thick. It's about 260 to 280 ml of water. We set this aside for it to rest while we prepare the sweet potato and the banana. Okay, we peel the sweet potato. Yeah, and then I'll cut it this way, or you can cut it into rounds, whatever you think is okay. So this is about 1 cm thickness, or you can cut it into rounds like this. Whatever way that suits you. We take 2, not too ripe, because you want it to be a bit firm. Peel the bananas. Oops, it broke. It shouldn't break. Okay. This one we cut into 2. We want it to be about the same length, but it's okay. You can also cut it into half if you want. This is just too small to be cut into 2, so I just leave it like this. Now we're going to add the vinegar here. Stir it. So you heat up the oil until about 180 degrees and it bubbles when you put something down here. So it's ready. So you gently put it in without splitting, okay? Don't put too much. So when it's a bit brown, you just turn it. Yeah, just turn it over. I don't want to use too much oil because I don't deep fry things that much. So I'm going to give it a good turn. Okay, we'll fry it until it's a bit slightly brown, yeah, not too brown. Can lower the heat a bit, yeah, to number 5. So it is slightly brown now, so we can lift it up. Okay, we're going to lift this up. So we will remove the bits with a little sieve. Now we're going to fry the second round. So I just put this in. This time the oil is slightly hotter. If you can, make it hotter. So we turn it. They are now quite brown, so to check that it is cooked, to prick it through, so it's cooked. You can lift it up then. Okay, let's split up. So here is the crispy sweet potato fritters. It's really nice. Crunchy and light. Oh, it's so good. And this is the banana fritters. Da-da-da! Very thick layer of batter, but let's see whether it's crunchy. Inside is very soft, but outside the batter is very crunchy. Listen to it. This is really good. I can eat the whole thing. You can also serve the fritters, especially the banana fritters, with palm sugar syrup. Just boil some palm sugar in some water until it is thick, and then you pour it over. The link to the recipe is in the description box. So there you go, that's our banana and sweet potato fritters. But you can use any other root vegetables if you want. You can even use yam or ubi kayu or cassava, and you can do anything with it. You can even make with champedak or nangka. No, champedak, not nangka. So until the next time, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So I will appreciate any like or share, and please subscribe so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until the next time, thank you, bye, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.